Thank you for purchasing a somnipax guard large mouth guard. These are the adjustment instructions. The package contains the instructions for use. 1 ventilated storage box. 2 mouth guard sections, an upper section and a lower section. 1 water temperature display. 1 bite plate. And 2 sets of flexible bands. Heat up some water in a pan, along with the water temperature display. Heat up the water until the temperature display changes from green to red. The water temperature has now reached 80 degrees Celsius. Switch off the hob and take the pan off the stove. Now place the upper mouth guard section. This is the section with the single hook in the middle, in the water. Wait 3 minutes. Find a mirror and position the bite plate. Now take the mouth guard section out of the pan and shake to remove the hot water. Fit the upper mouth guard section against your upper jaw. Make sure that the hook is positioned precisely in the middle of the 2 central incisors. Bite down firmly for 5 seconds. Use your fingers to press the side edges of the mouth guard section onto your teeth to create a perfect impression of the front of the teeth. Then reduce the bite pressure and remove the bite plate. Rinse your mouth out with cold water. Allow the mouth guard section to cool down for 3 minutes. Repeat the heating process with the lower mouth guard section. Take the lower mouth guard section out of the pan and shake to remove the hot water. Fit the lower mouth guard section against your lower jaw. The slot in the lower mouth guard section must be precisely aligned with the hook in the upper mouth guard section. Bite down firmly for 5 seconds. Use your fingers to press the sides of the mouth guard section onto the teeth. Wait a few seconds. Rinse your mouth out with cold water. Allow the inserted mouth guard section to cool down for 3 minutes. Remove the upper mouth guard section from your mouth. Then remove the lower section. Choose a flexible band based on the information in the instructions for use. Cut off the bands from the edge of the band holder. Place the band vertically onto the hook in the upper mouth guard section. Then rotate the band a quarter turn. Hook the holes on the side of the band onto the hook and connect the 2 mouth guard sections. The somnipax guard large mouth guard is now ready for daily use. Insert the mouth guard into your mouth every evening and enjoy a restorative night's sleep.